Okay, so I defined the function import time and the import web browser. I made the number of breaks 3 and then break underscore count 0. I typed in the function print and then sorry, this is another app. In parentheses, this program started on quotations plus time dot c time. And while break underscore count is less than total breaks, because we are taking 3 breaks. Time dot sleep is 10 because it's 10 seconds. Web browser dot open. There's a song about mango since I like mango so much, and break underscore count equals break underscore count plus 1 because each time there's a break, it loops to the next duration. So I save it, then I run. And then
once upon a time, in a far-off land, then...
And then... let's see, it should be about 10 seconds.
Once
okay,
upon
good.
A time,
It opens again.
In a far-off land, there lived a man.
Okay, and then... it should be another 10 seconds. Good,
Once
it opens.
Upon a time, in a far-off land, there lived a mango.
Yeah, like I said, I really like mango, so that's why I picked a song about mango. And just to have a little fun.